here from Those Dynamics guys, otherwise known as the Tattooed CRM guy. Today I found something cool. I was playing with Power Apps and I'd never noticed it before. I don't know why I'm so excited about this, but it is cool, so I'm going to show you it. And I also have a demo mascot, Todd the Demo Gnome. He's our little Christmas gnome. I don't know why we have him, but he's cool, so he'll be sitting alongside me for this one. Right, so let's get cracking. I'm in the Maker experience, right? And you can see I've got a couple of apps here that I've created. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new Canvas app out of Solution, right? So let's just create a brand spanking new app over there. I'll connect to the Common Data Service and let's look for policy. It's a custom entity that I've created within the Common Data Service. What this will do is this will create a brand new app template for me to use with 3 core screens. So you'll have your basic gallery screen, you'll have your view screen and your edit screen, which is quite useful. So I don't have to do a whole load. Now, I know that the view screen, the gallery screen doesn't look so great. We're not going to meddle in that right now. The cool thing that I found is over here on the edit screen. So if I click on the edit form, and I'm not renaming anything, this is just a test app. If I click on the edit form control, you can see there's a ton of fields, right? If I go to my field availability over here, the list of fields over here, and I scroll down, right? I found this. Now, what I wanted to do initially was I wanted to attach policy documentation to the field inside the field inside the Common Data Service. So inside the Common Data Service, what I've done is if I go take a look at my entities and I take a look at policy and I go to settings, you can see that I've enabled attachments, right? So that's easy enough. I can view my attachments inside my policy over here inside the timeline. How do I do that through a Canvas app? Now, I'd struggled before because it was SharePoint this and there were a ton of things and I'd never seen this before. So all you do is you just say, click on the attachments button, and that actually gives you the ability to attach files directly against that record that you've got open. How cool is that? I mean, maybe it's not amazing to everyone else, but that blew my mind. So let's just run this. We'll say attach file over there. Let's pop in a copy of my Stockholm presentation, or blog at least, and we'll say save. There you go. It's been added. If I go to my model-driven app over here and I refresh, don't actually have to refresh the whole app. You can actually just refresh the timeline. There you go. Hey, there's the documentation over there, and really simply, I've just enabled that within the Canvas app. Now, I know sort of best practice, if that's what you want to call it. I mean, best practice is sort of an opinion essentially, but I've got that now available to me within Canvas apps. And what seems to be happening is a lot of the functionality that's available within the model-driven app is actually being surfaced within Canvas app through the CDS connector, which is absolutely amazing. So Microsoft, carry on doing what you're doing, because this is really making my life easier when I'm developing Canvas apps, obviously with the intention of pushing data directly into the CDS and then servicing through a model-driven app. So rock and roll. Hope you guys all have a great day. Todd the Demo Gnome says goodbye. And yeah, cheers guys. Keep power apping or power platforming, if you will.